Hello friends, Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Educational Institution. There are some posts for outsourcing non-teaching posts in TTWRE, means Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institution Society. This is called Gurukulam schools. This is a notification, and these are outsourcing. So there is also eligibility for any graduate. So anyone who had completed their degree, they are also eligible for some of the posts. Let's go to the official website of Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institution. This is the official website. As you can see here, this is the official website, and this is under the government of Telangana. There are some vacancies for different streams. If you just scroll down here, you can see the link here, latest notifications, and here you can see here this is the apply online for non-teaching outsourced posts in TTWR institutions for 2020 to 2021. You just click here, you will be directed to that page. That page is this one. This is the official notification, and this is the page where you need to apply online. Will come at the end of this video. We will see what are the different posts for Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institutions. And before I begin, this is my channel Wi-Fi se Study Karo, where I do everyday editorials of the Hindu and Indian Express, and also newspaper reading of the Hindu and explanation of the editorials, and also job updates, everyday job updates, and some interesting facts. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will be benefited. This is my channel Wi-Fi se Study Karo. Let us now go to the notification. This is regarding outsourcing non-teaching posts in TTWRE institutions. This is the web notification, and there is some requisite. There are some requisites. This is residential schools, junior colleges and degree colleges. It is decided for the post of outsourcing in non-teaching vacant and non-teaching for the class 4 outsourced vacancy. This is purely temporary basis. So at this time of corona, this could be a great move. The online application, the mode of applying is only online application mode. So it is from 15/7/2020 to 30/7/2020 through this website we have just seen right now, and no hard copies of the applicant would not be considered. So you need to apply only online. You need to apply online by clicking this website. We will also see at the end of video how you have to apply online. Before we go for online application, these are the particular posts, non-teaching post it is considered. So the first post is outsourced staff nurse, second post is outsourced caretaker in degree college, outsourced lab assistant in degree college, outsourced computer lab assistant in degree college, outsourced junior assistant cum DEO, outsourced lab assistant or lab attender, outsourced kitchen helper or MPWS, outsourced office subordinate or attender. So institutional wise provisional requirement of non-teaching staff and outsourcing bias to work temporarily. Remember, this is only temporarily in non-teaching posts. This is the official here in Medak district. There is one post for outsourced subordinate, and these are different vacancies in different districts. As you can see here, there are total 3 posts in Medak district, that is TTWRDC in Medak district. There are different vacancies in Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Sirsilla, Mahabad, Mulgu, Khammam, Mahbub Nagar. There are some vacancies. Depending on the vacancies, you need to apply for different districts. Narayanpet, Suryapet, Devarakonda, Nalgonda, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Komarambim, so Asifabad, Nirmal, Adilabad. There are different vacancies. Actual vacancies may vary because depending on the requirement they may vary. Let us go to the eligibility criteria. For staff nurse, they need to pass in intermediate examination, and they should have successfully completed a 3.5 years nurse course or a BSc nursing. So this is just a requirement. no need of any experience for this one. They should have qualified just in that BSc nursing course. And for caretaker, that is for degree college, just a degree in any discipline. This is only a degree is needed. So those who are preparing for any examination, this is a great opportunity. You can just apply for caretaker in this college. So this is just degree is needed. For lab assistant, that is degree college, a bachelor degree from recognized university, that is BSc physical sciences in case of physics or chemistry lab assistant, or BSc life sciences in case of chemistry, botany, zoology, or microbiology labs. So computer lab assistant in degree college, the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in computer science. This is for computer lab assistant. And for junior assistant, they should hold a degree. They must possess a certification in typewriting in lower grade in English issued by Board of Technical Education. This is a certified course. So, and third one is must hold the certificate in computer applications from recognized institute. This is regarding the lab assistant. A lab assistant or lab attender, the requisite qualification is must have passed 10th and should be familiar in handling lab equipments. And for kitchen helper, they should have passed SSC and must know cycling. And also office assistant, same qualifications. So the most important thing is submission of application is only through online mode. This is the important criteria. No other document should be sent. This is because of pandemic. There is only online mode of application. Selection, this is regarding important notice for selection. So no male candidate will be engaged in women institute, so there is an equal opportunity for the women candidates, and also preference will be given to those candidates who have studied in the institutions run by tribal welfare department, including these curriculums. This is regarding the important notice for the selection and the procedure to be followed for preparing a merit list. So for everything, the percentage criteria is dominating in selection criteria. So the one who has greater percentage will be given priority in the preference because it is an outsourcing. So this is a remuneration for staff nurse. The remuneration is around 17,500. For caretaker, that is degree college, and the eligibility is degree, is 15,000. And also for lab assistant 15,000, computer lab assistant 20,000, the junior assistant 15,000. These are the pay scales of fixed remuneration. The important note, how to apply: the candidate have to submit the online application by paying. First they need to pay a fees of 50 rupees, and after that they need to fill that application form, and by this way you can submit online application. We will just see, this is the official website and this is the notification we have just read, and by this way this is the official notification. And here you can see the payment date starts from 15th July 2020 to 30 July 2020. This is the end date. So if you click on here, the first option, click here, pay online fees. First you need to pay online fees, and then afterwards you will get a receipt number or the DD challan number. From that number you need to click on here to submit online application, and after clicking on online submit application, you will be directed to acknowledgement. You need to play, just click on here, you need to pay online application fees. This is these are the details you need to fill in here: name of the candidate, date of birth, contact number, and applying for the post, and your qualification. After that you need to click on submit. You will be directed to the payment option, ₹50. After paying that, you need to click here to submit your online application. So this is what it is asking: please enter the following details, submit online application, date of birth and contact number. After that you will be directed to this form. This is the login form. By this way you can apply for this post in TTWRE Gurukulam. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe for further updates. Thank you. Please share it with those who are eligible so that it will be benefited to you and those who are eligible, and any graduate is eligible for caretaker, so please take a note of it. Thank you, have a great day.